Your curriculum vitae CV is more than just a document listing your educational and professional history. It's your personal marketing tool. A well-crafted CV is your ticket to grabbing the attention of potential employers and showcasing your qualifications effectively. But how can you make your CV stand out from the rest? And what should you include or leave out? In today's video, we will be taking a look at what is a CV, how to make your CV stand out from the rest, and the do's and don'ts on writing a CV. Hello, and welcome to another KYC Lookup video where we bring you AML related content to help you enhance your knowledge in the fight against money laundering. Before diving into today's video, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos. Oh, and don't forget to leave us a comment with any suggested topics you would like us to cover in the future. So, on to today's video. What is a CV? A CV, or curriculum vitae, is a comprehensive document that provides an overview of a person's academic and professional qualifications, achievements, and experiences. Unlike a resume, which is typically a shorter and more focused document, a CV is more detailed and can be longer, especially for individuals with extensive career histories or those in academic and research fields. How to put a CV together. Putting together an effective CV involves careful planning and organisation. Here's how you can do this. Gather information. Collect all the relevant information about your education, work experience, skills, certification, and any other details you want to include in your CV. Choose a CV format. Decide on the format of your CV. Common formats include chronological, listing experience in reverse chronological order, functional, emphasizing skills over work history, or a combination of both. Create a header. At the top of your CV, include a header with your full name, contact information like phone number and email address, and a link to your professional LinkedIn profile. Write a compelling personal statement. Craft a concise personal statement or objective at the beginning of your CV. This should briefly highlight your key skills, experiences, and career goals. Outline your education. Detail your educational background, starting with the most recent degree. Include the name of your institution, degree earned, field of study, graduation date, and any relevant academic achievements. List your professional experience. Provide a detailed list of your work history in reverse chronological order. Include the name of the employer, job title, date of employment, and a description of the key responsibilities and achievements in each role. Highlight your skills. Create a section to showcase your key skills. Tailor this section to align with the requirements of the job you're applying for. Include certifications and training. If you have relevant certifications or have completed training programs, and create a section highlighting these achievements. Add research and publications, if applicable. If you are in academia or research, include a section on research projects, publications, and conference presentations. Note achievements. List any awards or achievements you have received for your work or contributions. Include a languages section, if applicable. If you are proficient in multiple languages, create a section listing your language skills. Create a references section. Provide the names and contact details of the professional references, but make sure you have obtained permission from these individuals. Formatting and style. Keep the formatting consistent and easy to read. Use clear headings, bullet points for easy scanning, and a professional format. Proofread. Before finalising your CV, Proofread it thoroughly to ensure there are no typos or errors. Tailor for each application. Customize your CV for each job application by emphasizing the most relevant skills and experiences. And save and share. Save your CV in a commonly used format such as PDF and share it with potential employers and upload it to job portals. Remember, your CV is a dynamic document and you should update it regularly to reflect the most current experiences and achievements. Seeking feedback from mentors, colleagues, or career advisors can also be beneficial in refining your CV. How to make your CV stand out from the rest. Making your CV stand out from the rest is crucial in a competitive job market. Here are some tips to help you create a distinctive and impactful CV. Tailor your CV for each job. Customize your CV for each job application by emphasizing the most relevant skills and experiences. Align your qualifications with the specific requirements of the position. Create a strong personal statement. Crafting a compelling personal statement at the beginning of your CV. This brief summary should highlight your key skills, experiences, and career goals, capturing the attention of the reader. Use quantifiable achievements. Instead of listing generic job responsibilities, focus on quantifiable achievements. Use numbers and metrics to highlight the impact you've made in previous roles. This gives employers a concrete understanding of your contributions. Highlight key skills. Create a dedicated skills section and list both technical and soft skills relevant to the job. Use keywords from the job description to ensure your CV aligns with the employer's expectations. And showcase professional development. Include any certifications, training programs or workshops you've completed. This demonstrates your commitment to ongoing professional development and acquiring new skills. The do's and don'ts of writing a CV. Crafting an effective CV involves a balance of presenting your strengths and avoiding common pitfalls. Here are some of the do's and don'ts of writing a CV. Do's. Do tailor your CV. Customize your CV for each job application. Highlight the skills and experiences most relevant to the specific position. Do include a strong personal statement. Craft a concise and compelling personal statement that summarizes your professional identity, skills, and career goals. Do use action verbs. Begin each bullet point with strong action verbs to convey a sense of accomplishment and engagement in previous roles. Do quantify achievements. Use metrics and numbers to quantify your accomplishments, showing the impact you've had in previous positions. Do highlight key skills. Include a dedicated section to showcase your key skills, ensuring they align with requirements of the job. And do use a clean and professional layout. Ensure a visually appealing design with consistent formatting, making it easy for the reader to navigate your CV. Don'ts. Don't use a generic CV. Avoid using a one-size-fits-all CV. Tailor your CV for each application to highlight the most relevant information. Don't include personal information. Skip unnecessary personal details such as age, marital status, or religious affiliations. Focus on professional information. Don't use a generic personal statement. Craft a unique personal statement for each application, avoiding generic and cliched language. Don't use an unprofessional email address. Use a professional email address for contact purposes, even if that means creating a new one. Don't use jargon unnecessarily. While industry-specific terminology is important, avoid excessive jargon that may be confusing to those outside your field. And don't include negative information. Avoid including negative information about past employers or experiences. Keep the focus on your positive contributions. Remember, a well-crafted and tailored CV not only communicates your qualifications, but also tells a compelling story about your professional journey. By implementing these strategies, you increase the likelihood of making a memorable impression on potential employers. Well, there you have it. What is a CV? How to make your CV stand out from the rest, and the do's and don'ts on writing a CV. Please tell us in the comments section if you think a well-tailored CV helps you stand out from the rest, and any other topics you would like us to cover in the future. We have now launched our very own fully accredited courses for you to take a more in-depth look at a variety of subjects, such as Introduction to AML, Beneficial Ownership, and Customer Risk Rating, for example. So make sure you visit our website for further details, and let us help you connect the dots in KYC. Thank you for watching the video, and if you made it this far, don't forget to like and subscribe to watch more amazing videos.